2, 3, 4.
Blessed are those who run to Him, place their hope and confidence in Jesus. He won't forsake them. Blessed are those who seek His face, who bend their knee and fix the gaze on Jesus. They won't be shaken. Come on and praise the Lord with me. Sing if you love His name. Come on and lift your voice with me. He's worthy of all our praise.
And then the bridge.
Bless God in the sanctuary, bless God in the fields of plenty, bless God in the darkest valley, every chance I get.
What's up, Jooba people? Today we're doing Bless God by Brooke Ligertwood and Cody Carnes. And you guys can go check out the PDF. It's on the website. You can download it using the links in the description. The song, the tutorial is brought to you by the Jooba people. So they're the guys that support me, and you can join them also with the link in the description. And then you can suggest songs, join our live classes. There's a bunch of stuff. I'm not going to get into that now. But let's get into the song. So this song, the Cody Carnes version, he does with capo 3, sorry. So in the key of B flat when you're using these chords. But that's a bit high for me. Come on and praise that. It's too high for me. Might be fine for you. If you're a female vocal, then you might want to do with no capo. That might be a little too high still. So then go to capo 7, and that will be the original key that Brooke Ligertwood does it. So
Blessed are those who run, blessed are those who run to Him, whose hearts are set on pilgrimage with Jesus. They'll see His glory.
that's where the women will sing. So that's kind of the range. But if I'm leading in a church, it's best to do it at G in the key of G or the key of F sharp. Because then the ladies can also sing here.
Come on and praise the Lord with me. Sing if you love His name.
So the woman that can sing a little higher can get the melody, and then there's nice harmonies and stuff. But anyway, if you want the bottom line, if you want the Cody Carnes version with these chords that I'm going to teach you, do capo 3. And if you want the Brooke version, capo 7. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the chords here are very simple. I'm going to show you some alternative voicings, but for the one chord we have, let's do it capo 1 like I did in the preview. It's really nice for me. So our G chord is the 1. Excuse me. And then our 2 chord is A minor, which you can use the A minor 7 or the A minor 7 with the pinky there. Our C chord is going to be our 4 chord, which you could also use this C if you're more comfortable with this one, which makes it sound like a thick. You could also use this C, C at 9. So you could go
Blessed are those who run to Him, whose hearts are set on pilgrimage with Jesus. See His glory.
if you want to. So, but I like this G and this A minor without the pinky or with it, and then C, G, and then E minor is going to be a 6 chord, and then we go to D. goes bad. And you could put the thumb over there to get that F sharp if you wanted to, or you could use this D over F sharp. Whichever one you're comfortable with, but these are definitely some options to consider. And then G sus4 is going to be our 1 sus4 chord, like we'd playing our G like this. Now if you were playing your G like this, you would do the other G sus4, this one. And so if we just quickly, and then the G over B chord is just like that, okay? Just quickly to do the strumming part and a picking pattern. They don't use a picking pattern in the original, but it's nice to do a picking pattern. So the main feel of the strumming is, I'm gonna focus on this one first. This pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So that's kind of the main feel, just kind of with some spaced out strumming. But you could do this pattern as well. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. But the main thing is just to keep this, just to keep that feel going throughout the whole thing. Picking pattern, you could do P-I-P-M, P-I-P-M throughout the song. So like. P-I-P-M, P-I-P-M, P-I-P-M. Now and then throw in a high E string just to kind of spice it up. Okay, so let's go through the song. For the intro, we got 1 chord, 1, and the piano does this riff. Sus4, 1, sus4. And then for the verse, we got. Blessed are those who place their confidence in me. We won't forsake them. Second verse, same thing. Half chorus, the first chorus is just a half. Praise to the 2 minor, to the 4. Lord, I like to do the C major 7 sometimes. Either this one or this one. Sing if you love his. You could get to a normal 5 chord or name. Like just shift up that C chord to 4 to 5. That spacing of the chords are not correct, but it's okay. He's worthy of all. And then you come back straight into the tag. Or you could do. Alright, then for the bridge, everything else is the same. Bridge, we start with this one, G over B. Remember to mute the top string. Bless God in the sanctuary. Bless God in the fields of plenty. Bless God in the darkest valley. Every chance I get. And then that just repeats. Bless your name. Bless God with my hands around you. Bless God. Okay, you get the idea. But now, if you want to. Every chance I get. That's also a nice E minor to use. Now all these chords are available in the Jooba music community. You can go get my chord collections there. All these chords that I'm using are already there. Okay. Guys, I think that's good. That's enough for now. See you in the community. Cheers, people. Goodbye.